In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make all icon transparent on your iOS 26.1. So simply at first open your settings, scroll down, click on to general option, software update. Make sure to update your iOS 26.1. I'm already updated my iOS 26.1. So go back. So you just select any apps or just long press in your blank screen, then you get edit option. Press on to customize. Okay, alright, then you get clear option. Press on, showing it to three different way, light, dark or auto. Now it's make transparent icon, or if you want to get back default, same way, long press, edit home screen, three dot, press on edit, customize, and you just select default. That's it.